So it's all, yeah, the inspiration was Reading, I suppose.
Yeah. The key inspiration for the project was we wanted to keep it local and be about people and places and things that are around the Reading area.
It's just trying to make like a diverse community that's all based on Reading, and yeah, just the different landmarks and things people know the town for.
Yeah.
I'm an artist who mostly does drawings and paintings, so for me it was just a case of learning how to scale everything up.
Yeah, I mean, taking Kev's artwork and then creating something that was illuminated and interactive to this size, we had lots of constraints. Yeah, we just wanted to push the boundaries a bit more and do something that hadn't been seen around the world. So we needed to use a solid surface that was translucent, and that's where HIMACS came in. We chose HIMACS for the material for the project, or the main material, because of its durability, obviously, because of its strength, because of its kind of ease of manufacture. So we've used the ribbon of aluminium behind it to then channel the light onto the HIMACS and glow it up, and then create the effect that's here now. But we wanted to use, in this project specifically, for the translucency of its opal materials, and we wanted to use HIMACS because it carries the colour of the light so well. As you can see behind us, the colours are really pure, they're really strong, but they don't dazzle, it diffuses it so well. And there wasn't really any other product that we wanted to use for the project, basically.
The scale of it and just the colours are really intense. The way it changes during the day and into night is really amazing, and there's nothing else like it in the world, which is like a big accolade to say.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I don't think without HIMACS we could have done something like this project, and then it was the way how we were going to individually light the pieces of HIMACS. I think as well with this project we've taken it so far and it's better than we could even hope for, but I think we can push in the next project that we want to do together is maybe use the abilities of HIMACS to be formed as well. So that means we can create, instead of just having a flat surface, any form we'd like a sphere, a lit illuminated sphere cube, or just any sculptural form basically, and it would be nice to push it that next step. Just seeing people walk past it and smile, it's been amazing.